Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Victor Horton. I am the Program Director for Leaders of Color DC. And today we are here to celebrate 20 awesome individuals who are graduating from the Leaders of Color Fellowship here in Washington, DC.
We have data that shows that when you look like the students you serve, you can have a real outsized impact upon them. And so when we have leaders in position that look like the students we serve, we can take that so much further.
Leadership involves vibrating on unknown frequencies and having the courage to take the leap, whether it be amongst the stars or in the creation of your own. I charge you to be the bravest you can be.
Remember to pop out and show, folks. Remember that you belong there. Remember that you always should bet on yourself. Remember you willing to outwork folks by losing who you are to show up to who you can become.
Now I have the honor of introducing our next speaker. She's my boss, an even better friend, and the Vice President of Leaders of Color, Amber Davis Prince.
We will be working directly with leaders of color that are in elected positions to move policy and to move legislation for Black and brown kids. It is something that we're focusing on a little bit more directly than we have before.
I'm grateful to Leaders of Color Class of 2024 and challenge all under the sound of my voice to go out, find your tribe and your nebula and shine your light. Thank you.
I want to thank everyone who took the time to make this day possible. Samson Dynamite Group, the HEC for hosting us, my colleagues at Education Reform Now, and just the bartenders, the people who prepared the food. Thank you so much for making this day so special. We really appreciate you at Leaders of Color. Thank you.